Oh, that is a hard paddle, but almost there. So we going, it's a bit windy, but that's okay, we're going. Thank you. So nice, thank you. Thanks for the lift, that was really good. We made it to the Wake Brick Island. Oh, the nice guy offered me a ride, so that was nice. Oh! Thank you.
Is that enough?
Oh, more than enough, thank you.
Oh my god!
And that's how you catch bait. Do you want this? Proven that we can actually do a day trip here at Wake Brick. Girls have fun, first time snorkeling in the Gold Coast. Hopefully we're going to do this again soon. Alright, third day of our mini Gold Coast trip, and first thing we do is come to the Trollers near SeaWorld. Freshest seafood you can get in Gold Coast, I reckon. The other thing is, the key to get good seafood is come here early. The earlier the better, I reckon, but it's now 10:30, so let's see what they have. That's $10. $400 How far do you go out to catch them?
These about 10 miles.
Oh wow, okay. Do you have to soak the net overnight?
No.
Straight up?
Straight up. See the top?
Yep.
Lift the shell off.
Yep.
Split the tail off. Clean the gills. Cut them long ways.
Just eat it like that, right?
Yep. Then
It's
turn
cooked
it over,
already.
Chop, chop.
Chop chop.
3 pieces each half. Remember that?
Yep. Oh my lord, that looks big.
How much?
They're 30 a kilo.
To get half?
Yep.
Thank you. How far do you go out to catch them?
Oh, it just depends. Sometimes we're out at the 20 fathom mark or the 30s or 40s. And
Oh,
then
wow.
sometimes we go out to the 50 fathom mark.
And that's lunch sorted. It is a bit windy, overcast, but the plan is to go over to the Wake Brick Island again on the back of it and see whether we can do some snorkeling real time, for real this time. Yeah, those are brins. Not allowed to fish here. I'm gonna chuck in a prawn and see what happens. Just want to see whether I want to kayak across.
Oh, the current's going out. Bad.
We want to go over there to snorkel.
Oh, do you? Yeah, it's a good spot over there. Yeah, the boat just left over there.
Alright, so the wind's definitely is picking up. It's probably about 25-30k at the moment. The rule of thumbs, safety first. I mean, we can always come back. So, change of destination today. Still at the spit, but on the inner side, so it's away from the southeasterly wind, blocked by some of the trees. It's not going to be sunny, but still pretty good. Probably get some fishing done as well if I have time. Waterways noticed during events, watercraft. The big yabbies. Don't bite me. But you can see there's fish now at 2.7 meters. I think those are fish. They're not biting. Meters out that way, it's good. Okay, so rip this part off, he said. Oh. Yeah, see? All the gills are off.
So eat the pink stuff.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, meat. Below. Here's yours.
Alright, so this concludes our mini Gold Coast trip. The whole idea of this trip is do things we always wanted to do around Gold Coast and never get to explore, such as the Currumbin Rock Pools and the Wave Break Island. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. I'd really appreciate that. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye. In the next episode, we'll travel to Wave Break Island again, but this time on the back of the island and do some proper snorkeling. I'll also be carrying more gears just to test out the maximum load of the kayak. Stay tuned, I'll see you in the next one.